I'ma plug a string, I want the lyrics to make your spine tingle. I want the beat to make your... So I thank y'all guys for joining me again for the sizing of the table. This is going to be a quick sizing, uploading of the table. So I just wanted y'all to see how good that table came out. And as it dries, that vinyl gets a little tighter. That's why I was showing y'all how good it looks around the side. So we're going to actually be measuring the table. And one thing I forgot to mention in the first video is make sure that that bar on the table is away from you and that you got room to scoot under the table, because if you don't, your print will be upside down. So when you fold it, you want your print to be right side up. So if you don't have room to scoot under when you're doing your project, that bar is probably the wrong way. So we do width by the height, okay? And the width of the table is 19. And so the height of the table is 14.25. So, and that is also in landscape. And I'm going to go over between landscape and portrait so y'all understand that. So that's the width of the table, 19 by 14, not 19. And so you want to make it a little bigger. So this is the print that I printed out from my templates from my Payhip store. I'm showing y'all that size of the actual print inside of Canva. So that print is 19.25 by 14.75. You always make it a little larger than the table so that you have room to cut. And you can also make it a little larger than that also too, guys. So those are the size of my templates, 19.25 by 14.75, and they fit perfectly. But don't take my word for it. All my generation know the reading rainbow. Don't take my word for it. Measure for yourself, you know. So this is just the size of my templates, and I'm showing you how, and I just folded that down so you can see how it fits across. Now, these are the templates from my store. And guys, I don't know why that running thing is in the middle. I so apologize. I didn't even realize that until I had uploaded the video, and my day is kind of long. So I didn't really want to redo it. But these are the templates from the Payhip store, and they are sized to the table. That table that I did was from Target, and Target's tables are a little larger than the Walmart tables to me. So these templates will fit Walmart and Target tables. And the first page of the template is all your supplies. They are affiliate links except for the table that's to Walmart. But these are the templates, and they are all customizable. As you can see, there's a little frame at the top if you want to put the learner's picture in there, or you don't have to, or you can take the frame off and put their actual picture. It's all up to you guys. These are totally customizable, and all the fonts should be inside of Canva as well that I'm using. The only font that is not that, the Barbie font, I think you can get from the font, but you can also look inside of Elements and search Barbie fonts, and you will see the Barbie font as well. So you will just have to put them individually, but everything is inside of Canva. So if you don't have Canva Pro, get Canva Pro. And again, there's the page to all the links. And I also have on my store the blank templates. If you want to design yourself, do different characters. I have, and also in that first bundle, these two are available, or you can get them by themselves. So all the elements, everything I found inside of Canva, that also has the affiliate links. To the supplies to the table. And if you have not seen the table video, go back and watch the table video. I want to thank you guys for all the views and positive comments. Nobody talked about my ashy knuckles. I appreciate y'all. So here we go. So when we go to Canva, we are going to pick inches, and I'm going to put in the 19.25 by 14 point. What is the problem? Okay, there you go. 19.25 by 14.75. And I'm going to create the document. And that is going to take me to landscape. Anytime it's landscape, I want, when people say, is it landscape or is it portrait? Anytime you have landscape, landscape is always going to be the larger number as the width. So the width of that is 19.25 and the height is 14.75. That is always going to give you an indication if it's portrait or landscape. So you really don't have to ask. If the width is larger than the height, automatically landscape. So I'm showing y'all the same exact measurements, just reversed. So I did 14.75 by 19.25, and it's in portrait mode. It's just the width is at the top, which is the 14, and then the height is going to be the 19.25. That's the only difference. And I'm also going to show you when you go to upload it to the CVS or the Walgreens, whichever one you use, that you can also put that same print in on landscape or portrait. Okay, so landscape, the number's going to be higher on the width than the height. So I'm gonna go back to our original sizing. And this is, um, if you want to design your own. The first part of the video was from my templates. You can customize. This is what if you want to design your own. And I'm only gonna do. Y'all gonna see how quick this design is. Just to show y'all how to get the design and upload. So you always want to make your canvas size the size of whatever your blank is. I don't, even though we're going to print this on 16 by 20, I'm still going to make my canvas size the size of whatever I'm making. So I have all this uploaded already. The princess and the frog. I'm doing a theme for my little cousin. So I already had all this stuff because I sure didn't know what I was going to design. But this is going to be a quick little design. I just got a gradient background. And you can add those gradient backgrounds. Um, and you can add as many colors as you want. Just keep, oh Lord, keep clicking the plus sign, and you can arrange them around too. So y'all see, I got the darker color in the middle and the two lighter colors on the outside, and I just picked them. I use my color picker to pick the colors out of her dress. So I'm just gonna basically grab the frog. And I really want to know why that's turning in the middle. And guys, while I'm just designing this, sorry it's so late. I did have a death in my family. My sister passed away, and I'm really dealing with that. So, if y'all send me a comment or whatever, and I don't answer immediately, please, please, please be patient while we deal with this. But I thank all of y'all for everything and coming to watch my video. So I just searched swamp background, I think, in the elements. All of these, I did purchase these PNGs from Etsy though. So I think they were really cheap. I just searched the Princess and the Frog PNGs. So I got the swamp background, as you can see. I did it with the color, and then I turned the background black and white. And when I turned it black and white, you can see the gradient better on the background and keeping it colored. So I just turned the transparency down and turned the swamp background to, I think is noir in the filters, and then just centered it. And y'all see how quick I'm throwing this up there. This is just to give you a quick design, so that you can see how to upload these to CVS. If y'all want a design on something else, just let me know. I can do that. But for the most part, this is just getting you to measure your blank and upload it to CVS the right size. I'm just now putting her name on there, and I'm trying to find a font that would match the princess look, something that's skinny and royal looking, and that's actually called Tiffany font that I got from the font. Um, if you like that font, and I'm just gonna jazz it up just a little bit. And literally, y'all, the as fast as y'all see this doing it, I did speed it up, but this is how fast I did the design, just like that. Okay, so we got our design. That's how I'm gonna keep it. And when you're designing, just make sure your elements are further inside. Just so if you do make it a little too large, you won't worry about cutting off your elements or the major part of your design, okay? So I'm going to upload that. And now I'm going to get me a 20 by 16 canvas, because that's the size of our print that we upload to CVS. So you want that to be the size that you upload to the CVS. So once I get my 16 by 20, I am going to upload that print back that I just did of the princess and the frog. And once I get that onto my 20 by 16, I'm going to size that to the size of the table, guys. You size that to the size of the table. So Um, and I'm going to go over into position. I'm gonna go to position some point in here. I'm gonna go to position, and I'm gonna make sure that my print is the size that I need it to be. I mean my design. So it says 19.26 by 14.76. That's perfect. It's just a little larger. Then I'm gonna click middle and center for it to be directly in the center of the page. So this is my 19.25 by 14.75 design inside of the 20 by 16 print. Okay. So when I go to CVS and I look for the design your own, if you, yeah, design your own, create your own or something like that. They have over to the left, they have both the portrait and the landscape sizes. And I'm going to show y'all both. So the first one is going to be the portrait size. Even though we made this in landscape, I'm going to show y'all how to do it in portrait size. So I'm going to get my print. And I'm so annoyed about that thing in the middle. But see, it comes in the way that I created it. So if you go to the top and hit full full photo and then click minimize, it'll shrink down. You take it, turn it, take it to the top of the corner and pull it down, and you are done. It's as simple as that, guys. And then you go through and buy it. And now I'm going back and do it our original way, which is the landscape. So I'm going to go there, and it knows what size you created. Once it uploads it, I click done. It automatically put it into place. And if it doesn't, you can do the same thing. That see how I push orientation? It took it the other way, but there you go. And you go through and buy your print, guys. It's simple as that. If anybody has any questions for me, like I said, leave them below and I will get to them when I can. I'm dealing with family right now, but I don't even know how this played over. See, look, I done duplicated some stuff, got stuff rolling around in circles. Lord Jesus, have mercy. But I thank you guys so much again. Um, don't forget to go to my Payhip store. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will definitely be doing some more videos. And let me know in the comments what videos y'all want to see. All right, guys. Thank you so much. God bless.